Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about the Estee Lauder. It's a very long name. The Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. So this is a sample. The real product looks like this. So what I got is a sample size that came with one of my Mecca look box. So the sample size is 3 mils of the real product. The real product is 15 mils. I'm just going to show you what this looked like. I'm just going to show you. The cream is rather thick. Yeah, for an eye cream, personally, this is rather thick. So the texture is more like, for me, like a light honey. Yeah, like a sticky light honey. Not so much a light moisturizer. Most eye cream is in the form of a very light moisturizer, a very more tend on the thin, lightweight moisturizer. But this one I find quite thick. So if you know what I mean, the color is very opaque. Yeah, it's very transparent, so you really can't see, but I find it quite sticky. For an eye cream, I do find this quite heavy, personally. To me, eye creams should be quite thin, quite lightweight, because the skin around our eyes is the thinnest in our body. Yeah, the skin around here is some of the thinnest. And so you don't want a heavy moisturizer, a heavy eye cream or moisturizer, because a heavy eye cream would just pull or just drag the skin down, because the skin here is just so thin and so fragile. So that's what I find quite confusing with this cream, because it's quite thick and quite heavy. And I don't enjoy using it. I find it, yeah, very thick and very heavy. And instead of being lightweight, where I can just tap it in, and you see your eyes being open and lifted up, and your eyelids less droopy, I do find that this heavy cream, instead of lifting my lids up, instead of droop my lids down, yeah, I'm not a fan of this eye cream. I'm just going to read to you from the website. It says this is an eye cream with a potent cocktail of nourishing ingredients. It has hyaluronic acid. It has Estee Lauder's multi-action anti-pollution defense technology. The exclusive Chronolux CB is patented. It's got some algae extract. It's got some yeast extract. It's got 1 tripeptide 32, watermelon fruit extract, lentil fruit extract, apple fruit extract, chamomile flower extract. In my personal opinion, after years of using so many eye creams and eye serums, if you want an eye cream or eye serum that can actually do something to the crow's feet and the soft lines around your eyes, the best thing is to have an eye serum that has either vitamin C, retinol, or niacinamide. Yeah, personally, from my own personal experience. Any other eye creams that is full of fruit seed oil and so forth, all they do is just lock in the moisture and just stop the eyes from getting dry and dehydrated. They don't really treat the skin around your eyes. I personally use an eye serum that has got vitamin C or retinol or niacinamide, and then I just put an eye cream on top. That's how I treat my eyes. Any eye creams that doesn't have either retinol, vitamin C, or niacinamide, to me, is just not doing much. So to me, this eye cream is not any better than some of the other eye creams that you can find in the drugstore, in your pharmacies, or from other brands. The price is a bit steep as well. And for 15 ml, it's $128. Personally, I find for $128 for 15 mils, it's a bit expensive and it's a bit steep for what it does. I mean, I've been using this for over a week now, and I don't even feel like carrying on using it because it's just so heavy, too thick and too heavy. It doesn't have retinol or vitamin C or niacinamide. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.